Hello, my crafty goblins and ghouls. I sure hope you're having a bootastic day. This is the good witch Robyn Pitts from Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to join me for my crafty adventure. Welcome to day 5 of the Spooktacular Halloween series. Hopefully you've been having a great time. I know I've certainly had fun making these wonderful projects. Today, I have a design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I created these adorable Halloween cookie boxes using a digital file by My Scrap Chick. I will be sure to include a link to the file in the description box below. In front of you, I have 2 examples, but I will also show you how to put one of these boxes together. Before we get started, let me show you the paper collections that I use. I use the Prima 31. I have used this for a number of projects in this Halloween series. I also use the Cartabella Halloween Market. These cookie boxes have an ample size. They measure 6 1/4 by 6 1/4, and the depth is 2.5 inches. On the left, we have the Prima 31 in a nice pastel color, and then on the right, we have the Halloween Market, which is a very nice contrast with the traditional oranges, blacks, and the creams. I'm going to adjust my camera so that I can give you a closer look at each of these boxes. I'll be right back. This is the first box. I've outlined it with this fun rhinestone trim. You know I have to include some bling on my projects. On the top we have this fun pink ghost. Behind him we have a lollipop, and I've used glossy accents on the candy here, this candy corn, and this candy corn here. I have a piece of ephemera from the collection that says October 31st. We have this really fun print in the background. I love the scaredy cats and the spider web. On the left side, I have used a chipboard ephemera piece with the black cat sitting in front of the moon. I used some of this beautiful black tulle with the white dots. This is from the Dollar Tree. I think it looks so elegant in this floral cluster here. We have black and white stamens. We have pinks and grays and blacks and a printed flower. And then coming out from the flower cluster, we have this orange sequin spider. If you look closely in the background, you can see that this box is adorned with a spider web. This is attached to the box, and it has 2 layers. On top of it, I cut a piece of black glitter paper. This is a side. One of the things that I like about this matting is that it has this cute little ticket punch on the side, so it's not just a straight square. It's got some fun dimension. And then on the bottom we have a contrasting pink. And then on the inside we have these 4 little boxes, and if you look on the side you can see the scalloped peekaboo trim. Now for this, I have glued all of the boxes together. You certainly don't need to do that, but I thought it made a nicer presentation having it all glued together. Now if you don't want to include these liners, you can simply take this out, and then you'll just have a simple box. You can put socks or any small Halloween gift. This box really makes a beautiful presentation, and even if you didn't include anything inside, it would make a lovely home decor piece. Let's take a look at the second box. For this box, I used the Cartabella Halloween Market, and I love the way this turned out. I think this is my favorite out of the 2 boxes. I wanted to create a Halloween scene, and on the top, I fussy cut this banner that says Halloween. This is from the paper collection. I adorned that with rhinestone on the top, and we have these fun little ribbons. We have the black and white gingham, and then I used this orange jute, and on each side I have a little cauldron that I fussy cut from the paper, and I did use glossy accents. Underneath the banner I have this yellow moon, which I cut out with a 2-inch circle punch. And then I have this fun witch as well as this little scaredy cat. Although they're both in black cardstock, I wanted to have a slight contrast, so I cut this witch in black glitter and the scaredy cat in black cardstock, and I added glossy accents. Let me show you the die that I used. I use this Tim Holtz Witchcraft die. I will be sure to include a link to the product in Amazon. On the left side of the box, we have the spider web in the back, and I have used black glitter to embellish it. And because this is a witch's theme, I have included these cute little potion bottles. If you look at it, it's got this fun hologram picture in front. For this taller potion bottle, it says frog legs, and when you turn it, you can see the little frog. And here, this says snake oil, and when I shift it, you can see the snake. On the left here, I have used these fun chenille stems in black and then in orange and black. I thought this was fun and also gave you the appearance of a snake. And then I've added this fun floral spray in orange and this grayish black and then cream and black stamens. And last but not least, we have this little black crow that's perched on top of these potion books and a little skull. This is the side of the box, and this paper I thought was so fun and whimsical. You've got cauldrons and witches' brooms, black cats and hats. This is the side. Let's take a look inside. Inside, I used two coordinating papers. We have this orange and cream stripe, and then this orange polka dot. I love the way that looks. And on the side, I've adorned it with this skull and crossbone in this orange paper. And again, for this example, I have glued all of the 4 boxes together. I just think that makes a cleaner presentation. Now that I've given you an overview of these 2 boxes, I'm going to grab my craft materials so that we can make this together. I'll be right back. In your file, you will receive a lid with the opening in the center. To save time, I have gone ahead and glued on the decorative side panels. You'll also have a piece that looks like this. This is the bottom of the box. And again, I did glue on the decorative panels. You will have this decorative piece, and here in the corner you can see there's a spider web. You also get a layering piece, which I've cut out in this black glitter, which will be attached right on top. You also receive 4 of these boxes. So I've already assembled 3 of them, and then the 4th one we will assemble together. So let's work on the box lid first. The first thing I want to do is glue on this glitter piece. This is going to be attached just like so, and there should be an even space on all sides. Once you've glued on the decorative part of the spider web, you can put this aside and then grab the lid and acetate. To save time, I've already attached score tape on the perimeter of the acetate. You're going to turn your box over, and we're going to put the acetate just like so, so there's a nice even border all around. Once the acetate has been glued down, you want to turn the box over, and you want to grab your decorative panel, and we are going to attach this so that there's a nice border all around. Now we're going to assemble the lid. Before we do that, you want to make sure that you have folded and burnished along all of the score lines. And then we're going to take these tabs here and attach it to this panel. So we're going to fold it in just like so, and you're going to do that on all 4 sides. Our lid is now assembled, so let's set this aside, and you want to grab the base. This is what your base looks like. You want to make sure that you have folded along all of the score lines and burnished it well. You're going to take these pieces and fold it up. And you'll notice that there's an extra lip here. This piece is to give the bottom box more reinforcement and to make it more durable. So the first thing we're going to do is, similar to the lid, we're going to glue these tabs to its neighbor just like so. So go ahead and glue each of these tabs together. Don't touch this piece, just these corner pieces here. You're going to do that on all 4 sides. Now that the bottom box is assembled, you want to glue these tabs inside onto itself. So we're going to put glue right here, and then glue that down, and we're going to do that on all 4 sides. Now that we have the base of our box complete and all of the decorative panels glued on, we need to work on the inserts. So I already have 3 completed, and I'm doing fun coordinating colors that go with the lid. This is what the piece will look like. And so I have the side that I want on the inside. You want to make sure that you fold and burnish all of the score lines. And we're going to glue these tabs just like so. And we're going to do that on all 4 sides. Now that we have all of the boxes assembled, we can insert them just like so. And that would be fine. However, I'm going to glue these all together. And to do that, I'm simply going to attach one side just like so, and then we're going to attach these 2 panels together. All of our boxes are glued together. We can insert that into the bottom, and then we can grab our lid, and our box is complete. Isn't this cute? I thought this paper was so fun and whimsical. I forgot to tell you which paper collection I used for this. Let me grab that. I used the Halloween Town by DCW. This is really fun, bright, and whimsical. This concludes my review of my Halloween cookie boxes. Hopefully, I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Please be sure to join me tomorrow for more Halloween crafting ideas. Once again, every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday through the month of October, we will be sharing fun projects, easy tutorials, surprise giveaways, and we will announce a grand prize winner on October 31st, Halloween night. As a quick reminder, in order to participate in our giveaways, you must be 18 years or older, and you must be a visible subscriber to both my channel as well as Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. You also must leave a comment for all of the videos in this series. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now. Happy crafting and happy Halloween.